Hello! In today's video, we're going to see a new form control added to PDF document in Xojo 2022 Release 1. As you can see in our example project, this new control will allow your users to sign PDFs using a digital certificate, and for that we're going to use the PDFSignature class. The way to add this control to your PDFs is quite simple. You only need to create a new instance and pass to the constructor the number of the page, the left and top coordinates, the width and height for the interactive box that will be put in the created PDF, and the internal name that will be assigned to the control instance itself. Finally, we only need to add the instance to the document on the PDF document instance. In this case, pointed by the D variable. So how does this look in the resulting PDF? Let's run the app. So first we're going to click on the Create PDF button and save the resulting file. Now let's open it in the Acrobat Reader app and we can see how the new signature control has been added to the specified position at the end of the page. So when a user clicks on it, they will be able to select the digital certificate to use in order to sign the document. After confirming, they will be able to save the signed PDF document. Once signed and saved, the document will display the relevant data of the digital signing, and any later changes made to the document will invalidate such signing. So signing the PDF documents like this is a good way to let other users that sign the document know that it is original and not modified in any way.